Hello class, how are you? I think everybody is fine and safe at home and studying well. So, we have already started the second chapter and I have explained you much about this, about the Excel. I have explained you what is Excel, what is the use of Excel. I have explained you about the rows and columns and functions, name box, formula box. I have explained you about the cell. I have explained you about the different type of cell referencing, that is absolute, mix and relative. I have explained you about the I have explained you about the range of cell, naming of range, can give a particular name of the range which we have selected. All these I have explained you in the previous video. If you have seen, then you must have seen that I have explained all these points. If you are having any doubt in that point, you can ask. You can comment on the comment box and you can ask the queries where you are having the problem. Okay. So, now move forward to how to rename and delete the sheet. Now, you can see the sheet here, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. So, options are there at option is there is in home tab. You can see the home tab. Here the option is there, delete. You can see delete option is there. As you click in this small down arrow key, as you click here, ऐसे ही आप click करते हैं तो you can see the pop-up list appears. In this pop-up list, you can see some options are there. Delete cell, delete sheet row, delete sheet column and delete sheet. Means all these things are to delete. If you want to delete one cell, just select that cell, which cell you want to delete. If you want to delete a row, then you select that row and you can delete it. You can, if you want to delete a column, then you select that column and delete it. And if you want to delete a sheet, just go to this option, click delete sheet and that sheet will be deleted. How to select a row? Just go here and click this. See, a arrow has been appear and just click this. This column has been selected. If you want to select a row, same, they see an arrow has been clicked. Click this, a row has been selected. This like this you can delete, and like this you can select and delete the row or column. And for the sheet, you can go here, select that particular sheet and go to this delete option and click delete. That sheet will be deleted. And to rename, if you want to rename the sheet, just right click on that. See, a pop-up list appears. In that, option is there. You go here, you select this and click to that sheet. Right click on the sheet option. A pop-up list appear. Here you can see an option is there, rename. Here is delete option is also there. From here also you can delete the sheet directly. Not going to the option from the home tab. You can directly delete the sheet. Okay. Click here. See, rename. You just click here. Then the sheet. Then this come in this position activated and you can write any name. Like I am writing student. See, the sheet has been renamed as student. Okay. Like this you can rename it. Okay. Now moving forward to next point, that is what is function. I have already explained you about the function. That function in Excel are predefined formulas. The formulas which are already there in the Excel. Means जो formula पहले से ही Excel में है उसे predefined formulas कहते हैं. जो already है, आपको अलग से कोई formula नहीं देना है. जो ऑलरेडी फॉर्मूलाज है जिससे यूज करके हम कैलकुलेशंस करते हैं एक्सेल में, उसको प्री डिफाइंड फॉर्मूलाज कहते हैं. दैट परफॉर्म्स ऑन स्पेसिफिक कैलकुलेशन. स्पेसिफिक कैलकुलेशन में जितने भी फॉर्मूलाज दिए हुए हैं उसके अकॉर्डिंग जो कैलकुलेशन हम करते हैं. अ फंक्शन कंटेन्स फंक्शन नेम एंड द आर्गुमेंट इन द पैरेंथेसिस. पैरेंथेसिस मतलब ये जो आप ब्रैकेट देख रहे हैं, स्मॉल ब्रैकेट, इसको हम पैरेंथेसिस कहते हैं. फंक्शन नेम सम है और जो पैरेंथेसिस के अंदर इनसाइड जो हम रेंज लिखे हुए हैं उसको आर्ग्यूमेंट कहते हैं. ठीक है, दैट इज कॉल्ड फंक्शन. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी अबाउट सम फंक्शन. सी, यहाँ कुछ डेटास दिए हुए हैं और इस डेटा में हमें कैलकुलेट करना, मतलब इन दिस subject numbers we have to add. How to add? First go to that formula tab, that is formula tab. Here maths and trigonometry. Okay, trig. As we click, some pop-up list appears. Okay, here we will search the sum option. See, here a sum option is there. As we click to the sum option, it is there. It has already taken the range. It has already taken the range. Here you can see it has already taken the range and the numbers also shown. Okay, as you click OK, see it has given you the range formula. Okay, like this also you can do. One more option, you can write also equal to sum bracket. Now it is B3 colon E3. Okay, range has been selected, bracket close, enter C. Okay, now I have shown you the formula which you can copy also by dragging it. Yes, you can drag and the formula is there. So like this you can enter the formula. You have to go to the formula bar and in that maths and trig, as you click, pop-up list appears. In that you can have whichever formula you want, that formula you choose and you can do the calculations. Okay, this is the way to enter the functions. Okay, clear? So I stop here today because it is very important part. First you practice all this function and then we will move forward to the next part, that is how to insert the chart. Okay, so for today, thank you. Stay home, stay safe.